So you know what the cure is to that? Fly faster. The whole time. The whole time.
I prefer, a bit more maneuvering.
Yeah. I'm ready.
You guys go.
As soon as we say we're going out, Robert's gonna say landing. So.
I'm gonna go because I want to do some high alpha. So
oh, okay.
I'm gonna try at least. No, he said.
Go, 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 go.
Just be careful. We Frank fresh is going too slow. Oh no, this is I tried it last week. It won't do it actually. I mean, not like an F-16 high alpha, but it gets so slow. Yeah. You have a gyro in yours? I do. Yeah, it's full home. So it's and it didn't do anything too crazy. So
Hold on. From the back. Okay, let's go.
When you're up there, it doesn't hit
Gear up.
You have 100 RPS here?
Me?
Yeah.
No, stock. 80.
no plan. Going up!
Behind you.
Oh,
Spear Rob.
All right, Robert.
Spear him.
oh my God.
That's why you don't have modern day warbirds going with World War I.
No.
Damn.
Rand, this should be the demonstrator for your afterburner.
Yep. From the back. Going up. Okay,
Alright.
it's clear now. Yeah, it's really visual. Right. And I think this plane is the best fit for the afterburner.
I do too.
Frank, you got a bit of an overgain on your rudder.
Mine's doing it too. I think it's just the wind. Because when there's no wind, it doesn't do it. I'll be behind you.
Oh shit, the sun's right there.
Yeah, don't do that.
I did not see that.
Oh, there he is. There's Robert with his landing. I was going to say, as soon as you say you're going to go out, he's going to say landing.
Let him know, let him know. The wind is turbulent.
Yeah.
You guys are good?
We got rotors.
Yeah,
we're
good.
fine.
Okay, I'm coming up.
Go ahead.
What? Coming up! Yeah. My piece of advice to you, when you do that motor setup, put a heating on the motor.
He's got a FMS in it now.
I got the FMS setup. Taking off. Frank, your afterburner comes on and off.
Yeah, because I throttle up and then back.
Oh.
Still in formation.
No, this is not the FMS reading.
No, his is.
Oh, yours. Oh, you got the FMS F-16.
No, he's with the FMS motor in it. Yeah, I see it. Oh, that's Robert's. Rob.
When are we going to do it?
Tell me when.
Yeah.
This fly is like an 80mm. It doesn't fly like a 70.
You ready now?
The runway is clear, guys.
Oh, you need the
It's the kids. They always just run out instead of looking first.
Have a jet fly here and a clinic. And so whenever he does a jet fly clinic, I'll learn. It does high alpha.
Yeah. It does?
Yeah, just for a split second.
Yeah, until it stalls and then it falls down.
Yeah, I gotta get out of the sun though, so.
Yeah. You gotta do it a bit, lower so we can see
No,
that.
I don't think so. Okay, here we go again. I'm gonna try that one more time. I can't do it like an F-16, but.
Right through the sun. Wonderful.
Oh man, I gotta get out of this. I mean,
Try putting some flaps. It's
Full on flaps, full on
full on
gyros.
flaps?
I'm full on everything. I'm just dirty without the gear.
So try doing that with less flaps.
And it won't do well.
Are you guys landing?
No, we're just goofing off.
Keep going, Rob. Keep going.
Flying with flaps the whole time.
like it.
I gotta get into it sooner.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a sharp turn to slow down.
When you land,
Okay, I'm landing. Can I land?
give me one of those wipes.
Yeah, yeah.
Am I clear, guys?
Yes, you are.
Landing.
Yeah. Go
Or is
ahead
on the
then.
runway behind
No,
me?
I'm over the runway, but come on in.
Come on in. Yeah. Be careful, chimneys above you.
The chip. Crazy guy. That was cool.
Nice.
Right through the sun. Wonderful.
Wunderbar.
Yeah, chimney above the pressure of her soul.
Okay, I'll get it lower next time. That's what I say every time, but I won't do it.
Lower.
So do you have your gyro on and off?
I do. It's all full on game, but I do.
So exactly. Increase the gain and then it will prevent the tip
Oh my
stall.
God, he's texting.
It'll still do it though. I mean, I can feel
getting
it
crazy
because it gets all
text.
mushy and I just push the nose down all the way.
Oh, someone has an L-39 order.
Yeah, that's Chris's.
Nice.
Orsini, yeah.
How do you like it?
I got a 6200 in mind. I've been flying such low throttle anyway.
Oh, come on, don't do it.
All right, I gotta get a dirty roll in, baby. Dirty roll, dirty roll. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Oh shit!
I saw you. Get that dirty roll. I still got plenty of power. What are you gonna do now? More slow? Go. All right, tell me when to flip. All right. Whoop. I don't know if anybody's coming this way though. He is. Go up.
Landed.
Gear down.
Coming down, Bob.
Yeah, I hear your telemetry's bitching at you. Yeah, buddy. Ouch.
That was cool. You see, we turned at the same
Oh, we did, yeah. I gotta see what all these texts were. I still gotta glue my gear.
Glue it?
Yeah, the mount is loose. So if I turn... dude, it's so much better minus those fins.
Yeah, it does feel better actually. I didn't even realize that.
High alpha especially.
It doesn't.
I mean, it does have that little extra wiggle. I gotta do something.
I just realized like it tracks straighter.
Mine does this little... and that could be too much.